Oh my god.
That's so cute.
Little pants.
It's like the little long johns. From Baby Mac.
So tired.
Looks like a little,
Exercise clothing.
looks like a little doctor. Let me see.
Little booties.
Wait.
From Baby Max. That's so cute. You know I like that. That's so cute. It's not for you.
I think she wants a boy.
That's cool.
That's good, yeah.
I think that was it.
That's very nice.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Very beautiful.
There's more?
Oh, there's more in there. Oh, oh my goodness.
Oh, and more little baby mitts and security blankets.
Oh.
A security blanket?
Yeah, a little
It has a
swab.
lock on it?
No, it's a little
baby
swab.
always
The
needed.
baby locks it in its grip.
It has a padlock on it?
Cute, oh my god.
Security blanket.
I like the baby Winnie the Pooh too. Thank you. She's not here right now.
Thanks, Jill.
She was here earlier, yeah, she left.
You can watch the video.
Yeah.
Fast forward to the part.
A little something for your new baby on their baby shower. Dear Kathy, a little one needs so many new things. Hope your sweet baby can use what this brings. Best wishes for you. Congratulations. Soon you will be a mom. Love from Lisa, Kelly, and Tracy. Thank you. She left too.
Yeah, Lisa left her, yeah. Oh, that's cute.
A little rattle.
Oh, that's cute.
Or you pass the card.
Nem is vettem észre, mikor ment el.
Oh, same time Debbie ment.
And a little blanket.
Oh, that's pretty. I
A
like
nice
that one.
white one.
Yeah. That's nice.
Everything we have is yellow and white.
Yeah.
Better to be safe.
Yeah.
Unisex. I don't know where we put everything.
No, get the other ones first. Finish the
There's a little one in the
Yes. It's the size of you.
Oh, don't break it.
That's a bottle.
From Erica,
It's
Claudia, and
It's
Car-
fragile.
It's from Erica, Claudia, and Carmon, and it's Winnie the Pooh.
Start with the, yeah. Don't start with the card.
Oh, with the card?
No.
Earplugs.
Earplugs.
Actually, we were talking about that the other night.
Both. No,
There's a
That's
set.
for the baby.
Two pair.
We were talking about those.
This is for Dad.
energy drink because you'll need it.
Michael likes these.
That's good.
Hey, mine's lighter than yours.
Yours is a different sugar-free.
Funny.
How does that work?
Kathy and Michael, Mom and Dad, Sabine. That's funny. Shower of wishes for baby and you. Oh, Babies R Us $100 gift card. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Aw. So much laughter, so much love, so much
Thanks.
to look forward to. Congratulations. We wish you all the happiness a baby brings, and if it gets tough, remember you have a large support behind you. What, my butt?
Oh, that's really nice.
Thank you very much.
That's very nice.
Hey, wait, where's the earplugs? Michael needs
Yeah,
those
you
too.
need that.
We were talking about those the other night. We
You
still
wanted
don't
them
have to
when
go
Kathy
and
was
buy them.
talking, eh?
Okay, these are the good ones too.
Yeah. For the baby as well.
Put it in a right place.
Red.
Wow, it's huge.
Make sure it doesn't fall there, yeah.
I can't see anything. To
Can't
Kathy
see,
and
huh?
Michael.
That's okay. Yeah,
To Kathy and Michael and Baby Day. For your baby shower. To Kathy and Michael and Baby Day. A shower of wishes and lots of them too for the precious little one who's due. Love your grandma.
Aww.
I love you too, baby.
I love you too.
I love
Don't forget me over here.
you. No, I don't forget you.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
What's that?
Oh, giraffe.
Or giraffe blanket on.
Oh, that
Is
looks
it
really
soft?
Yeah, it's very soft.
Yeah.
That'll do for me.
For you.
Look at that.
Oh, little fishy. Oh, double fishy.
Dolphin.
Thank you. 3 months and 6 months.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's lovely.
Lots of clothes.
Very nice.
And there's more.
And there's a big bag too. Uh-oh.
Susanne, you should have when it's that everyone told me.
Do you need a knife?
No, Susie, help her then. No, it's okay.
Just need someone else's nails. I don't know if I can.
Just break the bar. I put too much tape on it because
Yeah.
it's a heavy box.
Yeah, it's definitely, yeah. Want the scissors? No, okay. There you go.
Oh my gosh, you can't take this out.
Okay.
Susie, come help her. It's just
Susie, help
heavy.
her.
Get the tape on her. Oh wait, we should pull it out.
What is it? Oh my goodness, that looks heavy. Fisher
Wow.
fry something.
Oh,
Oh, it's so cute.
Another bouncer.
It's the same. It's okay, Katie. I have a gift receipt, but I think it's in my car. I didn't bring it.
It's okay.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, is it the same?
The same kind?
No, that's
It's not the same kind, but same thing. Yes.
Oh, it's the same thing. Oh,
Oh
yeah,
my
yeah.
god, I got two.
Oh, they're so cute. The same, but yeah.
If we were having twins.
There you go.
If you are, you don't know.
I don't know.
Did you find my card there?
Soon find out.
Yeah.
Welcome, little one. Blessings come in many shapes and sizes large and small, but a brand new little baby is the sweetest of them all. My dear Kathy, my dearest Kathy, wishing you and your little one a lifetime of happiness and love, with all my love for Mommy and soon-to-be Grandma.
That's it.
That's the end of it.
Thank you for the baby shower. I can't carry it.
Okay, Michael can carry it for you over there.
You carry it down for my
Whoa, that's a big guy. Oh!
Try wrapping it.
Put it on the floor here in front of Kathy. I think it's too big for the table. Whoa, that is huge.
I'll leave you to it.
That's enough for yours.
that might be a little bit not